Whoa, yo, it's Christopher. Now knocking at my door, who is that? It's my lady from a long while back. Knocking at my door, who is that? It's my lady from a long while back. Knocking at my door, who is that? It's my lady from a long time back. Me say shana like a long time back. Long time. Hey, see the smile on her face, it's like birthday cake. In the evening, morning, or early Sunday on a Christmas day. New Year's ain't got no say on this. I say, Mr. Honest, talk to everybody to get right with themselves. Cause Jamaica have to stand up. Hey, who is that knocking at my door? It's a friend from the past. Who is that knocking? It's a lady from the past. Who is that knocking at my door? It's a lady from the past. Who is that knocking at my door? It's a lady from the past. Hey, the present day is not promised tomorrow, so you better think twice before you take a life. The Jam Rock system is the best in the whole world, and the problem with these people is they don't cherish it. Hey, who is that knocking at my door? It's a friend from the past. Who is that knocking at my door? I said it's a lady. Who is that knocking at my door? I said it's a friend from the past. Who is that knocking at my door? Hey, little girls and babies, watch what you're doing, ladies. Cause the white man is a rapist. Yo, the problem with the Babylon, they try to start shit about ganja. Hey, 2 guns like wing 0. We a pop on a blow, shoot down the ganja, gun smoke. We a smoke the chronic every day in a me chalice with the grabber. Yo, ganja, hey, ganja man. Yo, who is that knocking at my door? It's a friend from the past. Who is that knocking on my door? It is a lady. Who is that knocking at my door? It is a friend from the past. Who is that knocking at my door? Hey, who is that knocking?